Present, bro.
Got me a present? Oi, oi, what is that? Check that out. Ruined my day, that has. Thanks for that, bro.
That's right, boy.
Look at that. Oh, wicked. Thanks so much for going down there.
That's right, good.
That was long. Nice one. What we got?
Toilet roll. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Toilet roll.
Luxury.
I got myself a, what's it
So
called?
we've been using our hands for the last few days, haven't we?
I got a cold coffee each, mate. But you probably don't want coffee, you've been on beers, haven't you?
Yeah.
But
I'll stick to beer, I think. Was that split?
split, isn't it?
Oh, no. That's all right, that was my one anyway. I'll leave that under here. Oh, mate, how annoying's that? Sweet, though. Got loads of beers as well. Better get these in the fridge. Look at that for a fridge. That is proper. So we're going to cook these Plant Chef meat-free burgers, 100% plant-based. James has come up with some really good idea. Right, what do you reckon, James? You reckon
I'm going to do...
mash them up, innit?
We're going to mash them together, mate, with loads of cheese, bit of spinach.
Yeah.
I think spinach will be alright, won't it?
Spinach, yeah, we'll knock that in there.
Right down.
At the end of the day, they're vegetable anyway, aren't they?
Yeah, veggie burgers, bro.
Vegetable.
Vegetable burgers.
Vegetable.
So what we're going to do is we're going to chuck that all in there.
Look at this. Learned off the best, didn't you?
He's the best.
Get that.
Whoa.
Nosh them in there. They're like modified pea protein burgers. Do you not want to put the wrapper in there as well?
No, we need to wrap her out, I think. Just chuck that down there, mate.
Are you going to go for 4 of the burgers?
Yeah, and then we'll separate it into 2.
Good idea.
Right, bro.
We have just washed our hands, by the way. For anyone concerned.
You got something like once I've made it, I can put it out on.
Yeah.
Get something to flatten it out on.
Do you want to use that?
Yeah.
Let me, what that, yeah?
Yeah.
I've got a, in fact, do you want a chopping board?
I don't know. I'll just put it on that and then it's easier to wash.
What a mess is it going to be? Right, looks nice. We've got a, it's actually a double, like, if you imagine like a double cheeseburger at McDonald's, it's nothing like that.
Absolutely nothing like that.
Nothing
I
like
can
that.
do with the big arches. Big M.
One burger. Oh, this is a blinding idea, look at it.
2.
Quarter pounders.
Oh, half a pound.
If anyone wants a burger, you just got to come down to this campsite. I think, what are we charging for these ones? About £7.99.
We slide that window open. Come and get your food.
Yeah, we've got a bit of a burger van window here. Look at this. Slides open. Hands are clean. Give them a second wash.
I've used the chopping board, haven't we?
Yeah. We've got a 5-star food hygiene rating anyway. Certificate available on request.
Okay.
Look at those.
Proper veggies, man.
Got some brioche buns there. They're going straight on the hot plates. Get them toasted up. James is a chef today because I've been cooking every day, to be fair. What are we doing there? We're chucking a bit of oil in.
Bit of oil in the pan, boy.
Let's splash that in.
Right. I'm gonna wash this off.
Looking good then.
Yeah, boy. That cheese, mate.
Lovely. Right, these smell amazing. Nicely burnt up.
I like that, charred up.
Bit of charcoal.
Camping, innit?
Running low on that, aren't we?
Go, what the hell is that? What's the top? Oh, bug on there.
Can't really eat that, bit of protein. I'll let you cook more often though, mate. Oh, that is black.
Flick.
Burntburgers.com.
That's good.
Yeah, I do.
Where that bit is.
Put a load on mine. Lush. It's heavy. Let's lift some weights to carry this. Right, first bite.
A buzzing.
That is a proper heavy burger. It's decent. It's just so hot as well. I'll check back in a minute. That is a pretty decent burger, James. It's probably one of the best I've had in a long time. I'm not even gonna lie. Taking a walk into Bodmin High Street, town centre. We're going the other way now, we're not going along the main road. This lane is lovely, it's so peaceful. Look at that view in the background. Class. It is a beast of Bodmin, here he is. You are a bit confident sitting in the road like you were. Come on. He's got big paws for a little cat. Can I trust him? I'm not too sure if he's going to bite me or what. I don't know what you're going to do.
Bring some food back there. You come in? You coming down
You
here?
could be wild.
Come on in.
Hello, puss. Dangerous cat, that one. I wasn't too sure, he could have gone, you know, a bit wild. It's just eyeing up these trains, sort of thinking they'd make a good camper conversion. Make a good camper conversion, don't you reckon? Yeah. You could literally, like, one of them carriages, they're massive, you could actually live in one. It wouldn't even be a camper, it'd be a home. Yeah, I wouldn't want to change one of them, would you? You don't see these anymore. I think it is actually a working phone. I remember these old school things. There used to be a point, it would be 20p to actually make a call, and then they upped it, I think they upped it to 40p. And then they changed them all to defibrillators. But yeah, this one's still, it's not in bad condition to be fair. Get some Chinese food, little treat on a Sunday night. It's called Wong's. Got some spicy, crispy beef and egg fried rice. Nice treat for a Sunday night, isn't it?
Phone away.
Yeah, put that phone away. James is going to get tech neck. He's like this all the time. I've always got my arm up in the air. He's always got his neck down like that. I think we should plant ourselves up on this lovely set of steps here. Veggie spring rolls there. We've got a massive bag room in there. Oh, look at that. Lush. What you got, James?
Chicken balls. Spring rolls. Of course.
Nice. Can't beat the egg fried rice as well. That chili beef stuff was cracking. Can't eat it all though. It's like, that's gonna have to go in the fridge in the van. Well, ordered way too much food. The egg fried rice is what's done me, I think. You still got quite a bit left, didn't you, mate? Yeah.
Taking it home, mate.
He's got a big hill to walk up on the way back.
You passed that bag, bro?
Which one?
I've done it.
Yeah, I've got them spring rolls.
Probably this in there.
Right, I think we're going to take a walk back now. Nice food, really garlicky that was as well. I love garlic, loads of chilli in it. Just nice beef, peppers, onions, all sorts. I'm risking my life for this Chinese takeaway. Look at these roads. There's no pavement. I feel safe on this side actually, James. I know you are, but that's a blind corner. They're not going to see you on that corner. They're not. I don't know. Got a bit of a foot bath, but I don't think it's going to last for long. Should have brought the high vis out. My only concern with doing stuff like this is it's not so much myself. Obviously I ain't too visible right now, but it's if one of these drivers has had about 4 or 5 pints, the finest Cornish cider. At least we made it. We didn't end up being part of someone's bumper. Just gonna have a nice cold San Miguel, chill out, and that is it for tonight. See you all later.